Hello, TPC. This is Paul from Pop-Up Bear's Nook. I'm going walking on the creek over here. And there's some kind of fire going on. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so it's gonna go to the nature park where the smoke is. See it above my head. Apparently it's chemical, so they're shutting the park down. And I'll get some updates. I am smoking some I-1 3-star blue. So I'll give an update on this tobacco later. It is a 3-alarm fire, and I mentioned they closed off the gate so I couldn't get any further. Yes, the news said a couple of tractor trailers got engulfed in the flames too. So hopefully everyone's okay. For me, a package in the mail. So do Yabo a little bit. Alright, peace out, guys. Love you all. God bless. Be safe.